Let's crochet this carrot bookmark. I had a lot of fun making this, so I wanted to share the pattern. Here is a list of the materials I used. Using the orange yarn in your hook, start with making a slip knot. Wrap the working end of the yarn around your finger so it's crossed on the back of your fingers and parallel at the top. Now chain 2 by yarning over and pulling the yarn through the loop on your hook. In the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the 1 stitch. 2 single crochet, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull the loop through the 2 loops on your hook. Chain 1 for your turning stitch, then turn. In the second chain from the hook, single crochet into the 1 stitch. Chain 1 and turn. In the second chain from the hook, single crochet increase into that 1 stitch. This is 2 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet increase into the next 2 stitches, making 4 stitches. We're going to continue along the sides to make a border. This was hard to film, so it doesn't look pretty. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches. In this stitch, we'll put 3 single crochet stitches that brings us around to the other side. This will help create a point. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches. You can also secure the tail by working it into the stitches. Fasten off by slip stitching to the first stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch, pull a loop straight through the stitch and the loop on your hook. Then chain 1 by yarning over and pulling the loop through the loop on your hook. Cut, leaving a tail. Now take some black yarn and a yarn needle. Insert into and through the wrong side and secure with a double knot. The wrong side will be covered. Now you can weave the yarn over the front of your work to create the lines on the carrot. Secure to the wrong side with a double knot and cut the extra off. Repeat this, make 1 more and you will end with 2. Now grab the green yarn and start by making a slip knot. Then chain 38. I'll show a few here and then be back with the rest. Here's 38. If this chain length doesn't work for you, measure your book and adjust by adding or getting rid of some stitches. Now in the second chain from the hook, single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Then slip stitch and chain 4. We'll make more leaves. In the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then slip stitch into the same stitch as before. Chain 4. In the second chain from the hook, single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Fasten off in the same stitches as the previous slip stitches. Slip stitch and chain 1. Cut, leaving a tail. Use the yarn needle and the long tail to secure the leaves on nicely. Make a knot, then weave it into the leaves and cut the extra off. Give them a little twist. Now take the tail from the other end and use the yarn needle to secure it to the wrong side of the carrot by weaving and making a double knot. Make sure the green doesn't show through to the right side of your work. Now let's finish up by attaching the carrot pieces together. Use the orange tail and the yarn needle to sew. Put the wrong sides together. You can use stitch markers to keep it in place and sew the stitches together. When you get to these edges, run your yarn through 2 times for a smooth curve. When you get to the green, you can go right through it and secure it more. Continue until both sides are attached together. Double knot at the end and use the yarn needle to weave the extra yarn into the carrot. Do some shaping and we're done. In 2 different books to demonstrate some versatility. Okay, go crochet, go read something, go treat yourself. Bye.